Have you ever wondered how different your life could be if you had more self-confidence? That's what we're diving into today. Self-confidence, a crucial ingredient in the recipe of success, is the belief in one's abilities and talents. It's the quiet voice whispering, "I can do this," when faced with a challenge. It's the spark that fuels ambition, the drive that propels us forward. Now you might be thinking, isn't that just arrogance or overconfidence? Well, not quite. Arrogance is an exaggerated sense of one's capabilities, often ignoring the reality of a situation. Overconfidence, on the other hand, blinds us to potential pitfalls. Self-confidence, however, is grounded in reality. It's a balanced understanding of what we're truly capable of. Imagine walking into any situation, knowing you can handle it. That's the power of self-confidence. Meet Sam, a young man who was always shy and unsure of himself. Sam was the kind of person who would blend into a crowd, never daring to raise his voice, always preferring to stay in the shadows. His lack of self-confidence was not just a personal trait, it was a barrier that hindered him from reaching his true potential. He was often overlooked for promotions at work, his social life was practically non-existent, and he struggled to voice his thoughts and opinions. But Sam knew he had to change. He knew he had more to offer the world than what he was letting on. So he decided to take the first step towards building his self-confidence. He started with small things, speaking up in team meetings, joining a public speaking club, and gradually putting himself out there more and more. As Sam continued on this journey, he began to notice a shift. He was becoming more assertive, more comfortable in his own skin. He was no longer the shy, retiring figure in the background. He was taking center stage. His colleagues started to notice his contributions, his social circle expanded, and he found himself expressing his opinions without fear of judgment. The transformation was remarkable. Sam went from being a wallflower to a confident, assured individual who was comfortable in his own skin. His newfound self-confidence opened doors he never knew existed, and he was finally able to live life on his own terms. And that's the story of Sam, a testament to the transformative power of self-confidence. So what can we learn from Sam's story? Sam's journey illustrates the profound impact self-confidence can have on our lives. It's the key that unlocks our potential, transforming us from timid to tenacious. But let's not confuse self-confidence with overconfidence. The former is empowering, the latter destructive. Building self-confidence isn't a one-time feat. It's a continuous process, a series of small victories that eventually lead to big changes. Remember, self-confidence is not something you're born with, it's something you build. And just like Sam, you too can transform your life.